Hi, I hope everyone's doing well. This is Mitch from Mitchel Toy Photography, and I wanted to share a behind-the-scenes look at a SpongeBob and Squidward scene that I just finished shooting. Really fun scene, splashing water, practical effects. I love working with water. I lit the scene with two Manfrotto Lycos bicolor LED lights. Let me show you what this scene looks like with those lights turned on. I'm going to turn on the light at camera right. Now I'm walking over to my light on the left side. So what I'm doing is I'm lighting the set and the characters. I'm able to expose for the light right here that's lit. What that does, it allows the background to get pushed into a darker tone, which is really important for this scene because I want the water splashes to really stand out against the dark background. That's going to have the most impact. The most challenging part of this shoot, besides coming up with the concept, was setting it up. Those tentacles that you see there, the pink tentacles, are really difficult to work with and put in position, especially when you're going to be blasting compressed air into the water. You really have to kind of anchor them down, and I did that with some wire and some rocks. So that was the most time-consuming part of the shoot, was setting this up. I shot this from an angle similar to this, and I shot it down low so that the bowl that I had the water in disappears. So it was a really fun shot. It's really hard to control water splashes. You kind of get a feel for it, but it really is trial and error, and I took a lot of shots of different splashes to make sure that I had one that I really liked. I'll get it in the computer, and I'll call out the ones that I don't like, and we'll be hopefully left with some pretty nice shots. Coming back on the scene, you can see the two lights. I have my Canon 5D3 sitting on top of my Manfrotto carbon fiber tripod, as usual. So I'm going to get this in the computer, start editing, and we'll have a good idea of how it turned out pretty soon. Hope you guys enjoyed this behind the scenes look. Press like if you did like this, subscribe, and we'll have more content coming to you soon. Take care, guys. Bye.